Hi everyone, it's Suzanne here. It's been a while since I've been on, so I thought today I would show you all some books that I've been collecting up over the last couple of months. Most are from the Salvation Army, few of them from garage sales and things like that. So most of these are gardening type ones because I'm really interested in making like a nature journal. So with that in mind, I picked up this copy of The Secret Garden. It's got like the canvas cloth cover. It's purple and black. So I'm thinking I'm going to turn this into like a nature junk journal. So that's the first one. I've got quite a stack, so I found this one at a garage sale, Gardening Through the Year in Australia, and it is just full of great pictures and all kinds of things. It's got some awesome pictures in it. They are a bit glossy, which is probably not the best, but they're not overly glossy. The paper quality is excellent, so I'm hoping that that one will be useful. You could make like little tags and things out of them. There's some beautiful pictures in there. And this one is just the funniest little book I've ever seen. It's about gnomes. And I have never seen a book about gnomes before in my life. So there's some great pictures in here. It's a really funny little book. It's like it explains their daily life and what they eat and what they dress in and all kinds of things. It's got some goblins and elves and wood sprites, all different things. It's really fun. Have a look at this. Gnomes milking. That's awesome. It's such a fun book. I couldn't leave it behind. It's awesome. So it's called Gnomes. I've got this one, Enjoying Nature with Your Family. So this is quite an old book, this one. And when's published? 1977. So it has some really great drawings in it. Really lovely. So it's some black and white and some colour pictures. How to, capture an insect and display it. All of those kinds of weird things. How to recognise paw prints of animals. Some interesting things in there. And I've got What Wildflower Is That? So there's over 750 full colour photographs. It's beautiful. Again, it's a bit glossy, but I think they're beautiful photographs. Absolutely beautiful. Look at those. They're absolutely gorgeous. So I love that one. I've got this giant photographic encyclopedia of roses. So this one is huge, quite old. Let me see. I can't really see it at the moment, but it's really large. Beautiful photographs. Sorry, it's a bit glary, but there we go. If I hold it up, it's better. Some absolutely stunning photographs in there. All the different kinds of roses. I love these really large ones. They'd make a beautiful cover on a journal. So there's just hundreds and hundreds of photographs in that one. Also got this. It's just got all different flowers in it. I thought these little pictures here would be great for little tags and things. That's that one. I got these at the post office. They were marked right down. And what it is one coloured page and the other side is a black and white, so you can colour it yourself. I thought that was great. And I picked 2 of those up. And I got this one, Plants and Flowers in the Home. This one's quite old as well. $19.75 this one is. It's got some great photographs though in it. Okay, so that's that one. This would have to be the favourite one. So this is called the Reader's Digest Encyclopedia of Garden Plants and Flowers, and I don't know if you can see that. It's cloth with gold embossing on it. It's so lovely. I picked this one up at a garage sale for $1, and it's in beautiful condition for its age. So it's 1971, and it is just beautiful. An absolutely beautiful book. The paper quality is amazing. The photography is beautiful. It's actually, I don't know if I can take this apart. It's such a lovely book. These beautiful photographs. There are literally thousands of photographs in this book. I'm not sure how many pages it has. I think it had some, you know, the good old mud wasp had been building his nests along the edges and had been knocked off before they brought it to the... So it's got almost, it has got 800 pages. And it is just chock-a-block filled with amazing photographs. I picked this little book up. It's called The Pursuit of Peace, and it's got some beautiful quotes in it. So from the Dalai Lama and Martin Luther King, things like that. Some really lovely words throughout that book. I did pick up a few others. Got this one, The Old Curiosity Shop by Charles Dickens. I thought the illustrations were quite fun in this one. Again, the paper quality is beautiful. These two are really old, and yeah, this is The History of England by Keith Feeling, and it's old, very, very old. First published in 1950. So it's quite yellow. Talks about all kinds of things, medieval England, right through, talks about all the kings, Scotland, the fall of the monarchy, all of those kinds of things. I just thought the words on the pages were interesting. And I got this one, British Pharmacopoeia. Okay, so it's got some peculiar words in it. I don't understand it. I think you'd have to be a pharmacist to understand it, perhaps. So it's a interesting book, to say the least. I got a couple of children's books. This one, the Enchanted fairy tale one, it's peculiar illustrations, I thought. Some of them are nice, but yeah, some of them are a little bit strange, but I mean, that's really cute. And I got, gosh, my stack's getting a bit high. I also got Mr. Men one that I'm hoping to do some fussy cutting. It's got a bit of pencil drawing throughout it, this one. But I'm hoping to make maybe some kids' journals or something with this one. And this one's World Furniture. So this was in it, like a pressed flower. So this one's got some beautiful photographs in it of antique, and it's really beautiful. There's all kinds of little things throughout it as well. But it's a really lovely book. 1965, that one was first published. And then these are the last ones I picked up. So the Modern World Book of Hobbies. I love the photograph on the cover, or the illustration rather. It's a funny little book. It's got some, having a day of archery, how to do a hurdle, ice skating. So it's got some fabulous pictures. The Reader's Digest Young People's Annual. This one's got some interesting illustrations as well. The Green Kingdom. This has got some nice illustrations in it. Okay, so I think that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.